A couple weeks ago, I was walking through this antique store and I spotted this crazy beautiful gem, and I knew right then and there that I just had to have it. I pretty much instantly grabbed it and started walking up to the counter, only giving $40 for this thing. Here's a little shout out to Crazy Daisy Antique Store located in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So once I got home, I did a little research and found out this can is from the 1920s. It's really crazy how this thing was preserved for all these years, and I was super stoked to have it. Here's a little clip at me at work unscrewing it, and I'm about to give this thing a big old whiff. Why? I really don't even know. I just kind of wanted to smell what it smelled like sitting all these years, so don't judge. It smells really musty. I was expecting this to smell really gross, but it just smells musty. I don't know, it kind of smells good. Like an old musty basement. I don't know. It's the only way I can describe it. It was kind of good. So I was thinking that I could clean this thing up a little bit with some Dawn dish soap and uncover some writing underneath all that dirt and oil. So hopefully I don't get too much hate on giving this thing a little bit of a wash. I worked on cleaning it for about 25-30 minutes, and I was able to uncover quite a bit on each side, the front, the back, both the small skinny sides, and up top and on the bottom. Here's the up top. It was covered with a lot of dirt and oil before, and I uncovered something that was really cool up top. It said, "Do not accept if mutilated." I'm not sure what that means or how it's pronounced. I think it means do not accept if it's damaged, maybe. If you know, drop a comment down below. I'd love to find out. I found this image off of Google. I guess this is what it used to look like. This thing is so cool. Thanks for watching.